Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This is a new fidget spinner I've just got. So this is the packet it came in. You can see the shape of it a bit there. So it's just sealed again in a plastic bag. I'm going to cut along the top and open it. So let's listen to the bearing. One of the worst, noisiest bearings I've had so far. Let's just put it up to the camera. So one finger balance, let's just see. Quite a lot of movement there, and it slows down really quickly. And it's got like a screeching noise on it as well. So not fantastic there. And there's 3 loose balls in each arm. I don't know if you can see them, so they're loose. So if you did undo it, which would be a case of undoing those screws, and it should all come to bits, they will all fall out. So just make sure you do it somewhere where you can catch them all. So that's the one finger spin. So the stock run time was 1 minute 11 seconds one side and 1 minute 8 seconds the other side. So let's go ahead and show you what I paid. So that's the picture of it. So PC glue hand spinner, I don't know why they called it that, colour green. So I don't know what other colours there were. I don't know if there are only one colour, but I'll put in the description if there was. So that's the title, PC glue hand spinner, ball desk focus toy. So it was E-Trade Post, the seller. So it was green, 60 grams with steel bearing and made out of plastic. That's what they said on the description. So let's go ahead and show you the weight. Let's turn it on, just bear with me. So 27 grams or 1 ounce. So that's that done. So let's measure it for you. Show you what the diameter of it is. So it's about 73 mil, about 73 I would say. There we go. About just below 3 inches. Just put that back in shot. So let's go ahead and show you the slop in the bearing, see if it'll focus. So much like the last video I just did, there's a lot of slop in that bearing, so it's not fantastic. So is it difficult or easy to spin with one hand? So I have noticed when I've been playing with this that it is quite difficult to spin because of the angle of them. They clash because my fingers are so big. As I'm spinning them, that one goes round and bashes into it, so it slows the spin down. So maybe it's something you can get used to. What I did notice though the other way, it's even more difficult to spin. So it's not a fantastically well designed spinner. With it facing back, it needs to be facing forward slightly, which is that one. So it spins easier one way than the other. That way it doesn't spin as well. You can still spin it, but you can't get as much speed on it. And I can feel that arm when I spin it. I can feel that arm hitting the back of my fingers. So it's not a fantastically designed one. So those are the bad points about that one. So let's go ahead and uncover the bearing for you. Just bear with me. So it's a really small bearing as usual with these cheap spinners. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll focus. Come on. You can see the balls, the very, very small balls. And then the plastic housing that holds them. And it's still not trying to focus. Come on. So there we go. Show the other side, and that's the ball separator there, the cage. It's made out of plastic. And I dimly recollect there being some oil in this bearing as well, and that's probably why it's running slow. So let's go ahead and compare it to a normal skate bearing. So that's a 22mm skate bearing. As you can see, it's quite a lot bigger. Just as I drop it on the floor, just bear with me. So let's go ahead and show you it from the other side. So the only way to get into this bearing is to undo it So like I said, if you do buy this one and undo it, make sure you undo it over something that will catch all the parts. And all you do is simply undo all those screws, because then it's not joined together and the seam is in the middle there. So you just undo 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and that's it, it'll open up. So I've ordered lots of the different designs of fidget spinners to see what you can get for the smallest amount of money. So as they arrive in the post, I'll make a video of them. So let's just move that out of the way. Just put that cap back on. It doesn't really matter which way you put it on this one, I think, because the bearing's housed inside the arm. So this is one I've done a video of already, which is a flower design. That was quite a popular video. And then there's this one, which is a cog design. The last one cost £1.04, this one cost £2.78, which is a nice design. It's made out of a solid piece of aluminium. And this one I really like, cost £1.89. And it's got 6 ball bearings in it, which are loose. And that one cost me £1.89, and it spins for over almost 5.5 minutes. So it's a really nice spinner, that one. I really like that one. It's one of my best. And then there's Captain America's shield, which you can see there. It's nice, easy to hold with 2 fingers because the pad's nice and big. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and check back soon. Cheers.